YouTube, they don't want to let me be great, man. They don't want me. They be holding me on trying to load my videos up. I tried to upload a video last night. I had it running the whole night. I get up this morning, that mug 25% loaded. My God, man. I don't know what I might have to. I think I'm gonna have to start using a computer or something. Give me the camera. Load the videos into the computer. It's the second day of 2022. Man, I don't know. So I don't know how they gon' oh, I'm trying to get this trying to get this community off the ground. Get this community kick started, man, but I need these niggas to get Twitter pages. Everybody get on the same page. See, man, look, a DAO, we got the DAO, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Follow me on Twitter, and at the top of my page, I got a video, a YouTube video on kind of explaining the DAO. A DAO like a trustless system. You can have a group of people come together and you can code out the rules of the group, right? You can put it in code to where, like, the code have to be, like, things have to be operated. Only way anything can happen if it's just through the code, or if the code, if it's in the code language. So you don't have to worry about trying to trust nobody. Let me give you an example. It's a trustless system though, right? Say 10 people come together. We put up $200. We all buy in, or we buy one token for $200 a piece. 10 people, right? So they give us a $2,000 treasury. Now, this treasury could be in a public wallet that everybody can see. And out of the 10 people now, right, we'll go in order and we'll start presenting proposals to the group. I propose we do this with the $2,000, right? One person sends a proposal, and it can all be digital, right? Where it's all like you can all make it digital. Where we doing all this like on, and you can do it all on the blockchain, where you can see it on the ledger, where you can see where it's taking, you can see what everybody voting on. We taking all of the data is being housed on the ledger, on the public ledger that anybody can see and always pull back up transaction history. But we can vote on an idea, right? One person can present an idea, and all 10 people can vote yay or nay. You know what I mean? In the proposal, it say that we're going to use this much money from the treasury to, we're going to take this much money from the treasury, spend it on this and this to do the, you know what I mean? These are our projections. And everything is released with a vote, or you can code it. You can code your system, to where it could run, where the system runs autonomously from the, you can have like a number system 1 through 10. We're going to go in order. Everybody got to present a proposal. You can incentivize the people, you know what I mean, by presenting proposals. If you present a proposal and and your proposal is accepted, you can get awarded so many coins. It's a lot of ways that you can do this, but the most important thing about this DAO is it's a trustless system. You can bring people together where you don't got to worry about nobody dipping in the pot. You can always see the pot. You don't have to, me and the next person don't have to be on the same accord, to go to vote yes or no on the project. We don't have to have the best relationship. You just can eliminate a lot of stuff by just making everything real simple, put it in the code. This token right here grants you this percentage of ownership of what we doing. You know what I mean? We got 10 tokens. You are out of the 10 tokens, you take 10 people with 10 tokens. So we split this up, you know, in tenths. Everybody is a tenth, you know, in a sense. Everybody is a tenth. Everybody can present a proposal, you know, and then for an idea, we all can vote yay or nay, and then we can take actions after that, you know. Trustless system. How can you bring people together? Because that's the only reason why you can't get no bunch of niggas together to do nothing. Because they ain't going to be trusting each other, and they ain't going to be tripping. There's going to be some jealousy going on, a bunch of small stuff to get in the way, stuff that don't even matter, egos, you know, to get in the way of the big picture. But, you know, if you take away all those, you know, take away the handshake deals and I'm going to do it, or I'm going to do this, or he said he was going to do that, and you just put everything in the code, bring people together, get your protocol, set your protocol, your rules for the group, and put it in code, you know, and get you a system that you can build from, that you can build with. My idea for this system like this is to get together people of industry, pool together money. You can even pool together money to start a project, right? To do a project to raise even more funds for an idea. I just seen they had that in I think in Vegas they just did a project or a DAO that's gonna be to do a restaurant, open up a restaurant in Las Vegas. But I don't know if I'm gonna just keep talking and explaining it and just talking and just hopefully, because it is kind of like a weird idea to grasp. What do you mean put it in code? What does that mean? It's computer code, you know, smart contracts. Smart contracts. If you do this, then that. If this, then that. Kind of how like the smart contract is, you know, that's kind of like the base of the smart contract. If this, then that. If the vote passes yes, then 200 sold from the treasury is released to such and such wallet. And with that money, they supposed to go do, you know, pay for this, pay for that, pay for this. And everybody can see what we paying for, what we getting, you know. See how much change left. It's all on the public ledger. And you can start operating in groups, you know, through this DAO system. That's 2022. And trying to load videos, man, because it take all day. I don't think it's now. I'm on 6% trying to load a video. They don't want me to be great. I got videos. I made videos for about 3 hours last night. I was just going in around, so let me go on and beef up the content. Start dropping these speeches, oratories. See where I'm at.